The next thing, dear students, that we have to understand in this chapter is how to find more irrational numbers between two given either rational or irrational numbers. We could be given two rational numbers or we could be given two irrational numbers. How do we find more irrational numbers between them? Till now we had been finding methods to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. But now we have to find the method of finding irrational numbers between two given rational or irrational numbers. First we'll take the example for finding between two rational numbers. So suppose we are given find three irrational numbers between 2/5 and 4/5. Suppose we are given this question, we have to find three irrational numbers between 2/5 and 4/5. What we'll do, we'll first convert these numbers into decimal. They may be terminating or they may be non-terminating recurring. When we convert 2/5, what we get is 0.4. When we convert 4/5 into decimal, we get is 0.8. That means the irrational numbers that we need should be between 0.4 and 0.8. The irrational numbers that we need should be between 0.4 and 0.8. And what is their property? They should be non-terminating, non-repeating. They should be non-terminating, non-repeating. As per our choice, we can take any number of irrational numbers between 0.4 and 0.5. We need only 3. So we can write them as 3 irrational numbers between 0.4 and 0.8. We can take up one starting with 0.5 maybe. We can start with 0.5 and we may repeat any digits without repetition order. We may write any digits after that. We may write this as 10, 20, 30, 39, 48, 76 and so on. We don't know how many will be repeated. That is one irrational number. This number is greater than 0.4 but less than 0.8. We may also write one more, that will be 0.6. We may repeat it as 78, 68, 58, 43, 95, so on and so forth. These digits we may mention as per our wish, taking care that no set of integers are repeated, no set of digits are repeated, right? We may write one more as maybe 0.71345987014876, so also. So that is a method for finding more irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Thirdly, if we are asked one question, find three rational numbers between these two irrational numbers, right? What we'll observe is the first number after the decimal we have 0.10, then we have 0.34. That means 0.10 is smaller, 0.34 is greater. We can write three more irrational numbers directly between them. Three irrational numbers between them. What they will be? We can increase this 0 by 1, 0.11. Is it greater than 0.10? Yes. To make it irrational, we have to write the digits over here which are non-terminating, non-repeating. We can write this as 2876 4893 4978 and so on so forth. We have to take care that no set of digits are repeated in the same order. Similarly, we can write one more number as 0.234876013947 and so on, and we can write the another as 0.247987340348 and so on so forth. Here what care we have to take that after finding a little greater number from the two decimal places which is lesser than this one, and we have to write the digits in such an order which is non-repeating and non-terminating. I am sure this is clear to you.